Now this is the original block engine to my 85 Isuzu pickup that I pulled out 5 years ago and replaced the engine with a used wrecking yard engine that I just re-ringed. So I've been saving this engine for 5 years to have it completely remanufactured, remachined, and we're going to get it done. And the moment has arrived, folks. I finally got the engine back from the machine shop. About 18 months later. Yep, you heard that right. A year and a half later. We've got the pistons on the rods with the rings already installed on the rods. Fully realigned and reshaped. We've got a fully remachined, rebored block, resurfaced, that match the pistons. We've got a crankshaft -10. And she looks good. But I can tell you right now, it was worth the wait. And I'm going to be careful here because the rings are on the pistons. Now I let the machine shop order the pistons. And these are 1 millimeter over. Everything is reshaped and resized properly. How do I know everything was done properly? Well, you just have to know who you can trust and who you can't trust. And they also ordered the bearings, the right size, crankshaft, and connecting rod. The oil pump, yeah, well, you get what you can get, you know. Now, I will have a little surprise in the future. Something that may not have ever been done before. I have found a seller on eBay who had a set of head bolts. And they are in pretty good looking shape. Now these are 160 or 161 engine head bolts. What does that mean? That means they came off of an Impulse, a Isuzu Impulse or Gemini vehicle. But it is, for the most part, the same bolt. The only difference is is the washer. It has a smaller washer. It is a thinner washer. It is a smaller diameter washer. And I will get into that later. But it's pretty much all here. I just need to get, I'm looking for a good timing chain set right now. And the pickings are kind of slim as far as getting a good set, because they're all aftermarket. That's all that's left on the market now. You can't find original equipment, Isuzu parts anywhere. But there is a good brand out there that still makes good timing chain parts. So there it is. Brand new engine. I'm working on getting it hooked up to this. I still have my old bolt connections to the last partial rebuild I did on the motor that's in the truck now. That was just a re-ring job. That's all that was. So this should be all adjusted and set up to go right on the back of that block right there. So we'll start working on that. I'm waiting on the gasket set, and that's all I got for now.